Okay, so this one is where we're looking at the sine of secant 5 pi over 4. So all the trig function values have different signs in different quadrants. So if you recall, all trig functions are positive in the first quadrant. Sine and cosecant, which is a reciprocal, are positive in the second quadrant. Tangent and cotangent are positive in the third quadrant, while cosine and secant are positive in the fourth quadrant. Anything else would be negative in that quadrant. So really we just have to figure out where is 5 pi over 4. So if I change this 2 degrees, so multiply it by 180 over pi, so our pi's will cancel. 4 over 180 will give me 45, and 5 times 45 will give me 225. So now if we think about where that is, 225, here's 180. Well, we know this is 270 down here, so we don't quite get there, and this is 180. So it's between 180 and 270, so it's in quadrant 3. And only tangent and cotangent are positive, so the secant must be negative. So right now I don't really know what it is, but I know secant of 5 pi over 4 radians is negative something.